In this phrase, we say like やっと一段落した。やっと一段落した is mean finally came down. We will use this phrase when we do something and in the middle way and but it's going well and it's not finished yet and it's not complete yet, but you know how to do and you do that work going very well. So and you can break in the middle way. So in that time you can say やっと一段落した or you can say やっと一段落しました and this phrase you can use when you just talk about the normally conversation with your friends, your teacher or anybody. This phrase is a polite phrase, so you can use with anybody, not only with the people that you get very well known, but with any friends you can use